6th gen Camaro ZL1 in for stage 5. It's been a while since I had a big one like this. Getting everything. I think it's getting the big cam. Yep, it's getting our big cam. It's getting a Magnuson VSX fuel system in the tank. Meth injection. Monster LTS triple. Clutch. Catch can, P3, wideband. Everything. I mean, this car is literally getting everything. So, should be cool. Getting the nice DSX valve covers that work really well with the Magnuson blowers, because they relocate the coils lower. So, about to dive in.
So they're different valve covers than the RPM ones?
Yeah.
They're not totally different brand and all?
Yep.
Cool. All right, looks like something.
Thing got that bang on him.
Things are getting serious.
Whoop whoop. Send it to Sam as the police.
I'm getting ready for an engine blowout. ZL1. Stage 5.
Start calling you the stage 5 cleaner. More power.
All right. I can barely breathe today, so I'm not feeling the best either. I got like a wheeze.
Don't be blowing on me.
No, it's not sickness. No, I don't.
Working on the railroad. I'm working on the railroad. Alright, get this thing back in.
All right. So what did you do? Cam? I know I got it, but
Got our big LT cam in it. Got our valve springs in the heads. Got the heads all cleaned up.
and the Monster.
Got our Monster triple clutch installed.
All right, and that's about it.
Yep.
Cool. Talk about these. These are different. It's not something I've seen. They're a different brand or something?
Yeah,
or,
you rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Yeah, these are the DSX tuning valve covers. They work excellent with the big Magnuson blowers. Magnuson gives you like a little bracket that basically moves the ignition coils down on the valve cover because the blower is so wide. It hangs over like this. So Dave over at DSX makes these. It's nice. It's a simple solution. It's just a lot nicer than the bracket.
They always come in black, or you can get them in any color you want from them?
You can get them from any color. We do in-house powder coating, but
So how much? I mean, I haven't been out here. I see the headers are on. Just like a little update.
yeah, we just got the headers on. I made like a pretty simple little flex fuel bracket that'll just sit behind the blower there.
like what's gonna be, when's the blower gonna go on and all that?
Blower probably
soon, or got a little bit of time?
Yep. I'm just gonna throw some spark plugs in, and put the ignition coils on, and I'll be ready to set the blower on.
All right. Well, we'll check back in when you get the blower, and we'll see what it looks like.
Alrighty then. God, it is hotter than Jerusalem in here.
Jerusalem's hot, huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm not really sure, honestly.
I think it's in the pyramids, isn't it?
Yeah, high, low of 69.
Yeah, what time is it? It's probably the middle of the night.
Oh, well, today's low in Jerusalem, the high is 86, and the low is 69. So, same as here.
Well, it's hotter in the shop probably than 86.
Thanks. Not as balls, though.
He's standing on its back. Jesus, alright.
Well, you didn't need help. I'm still gonna. All right, so what are these? The bricks?
Yep.
So these just keep everything cool.
Yep. Coolant flows through here, and the air flows through here.
Cool.
We're in here. Got to change this snout. Put a 103mm snout on it so you can run a big throttle body. Hey, bud. First try.
Nice.
Big joint.
So they just send that, or you have to get it extra?
No, you have to get it extra.
Okay. And why is there two different sizes? Just because it fits?
This is to run the stock throttle body.
Okay.
92mm, and this one is to run a big throttle body.
Cool.
Which we always do.
Yep. Massive blower, isn't it? Huge.
It's so ridiculous.
There we go.
Bing bong boom gong.
Looking good.
And this is 2021 ZL1, has like 7,500 miles on it. This thing got everything. Full stage 5. baselined 604. It got our full stage 5 package, so our full cam package, K-Tech oil pump, everything goes along with our cam package. ATI lower balancer, 917, 2-inch Cook's headers, Corsa valved catback, Rotofab 5-inch big gulp. Our it had DSX in-tank fuel system, which if you've never used those things, they're awesome. Just an FYI. Magnuson 2650 with a 103 snout and a 103 throttle body. Our meth kit, Monster LT1S triple clutch, Motion Rakes Works catch can, P3 gauge over here with a Bellinger wideband, and it got DSX valve covers. Just got it all. This thing's gangster. I made a quick little rip, and it's still on pump gas. Obviously, I've made like 2 or 3 pulls on this thing just to get it closed. Made 958 and 888 torque. It's on 19.4 pounds. Made one more change, and let's get this thing going. This thing's gonna make 1,000 on pump gas. The valved Corsa, this thing is ridiculously loud, but it also gets very quiet when you hit stealth. Case in point. It's loud though. Still a little fat. I'm just pulling a little bit more fuel out of it, and thing's got awesome oil pressure, 90 pounds. Alright, it's obviously getting there and it's hot, so 971, 970, 967, so let this thing cool down for 10 minutes and then or something, and then make a rip, and we'll add some meat in it. Made right at the same. I'm gonna put some E in this thing. I'll be back. All right, done some E in this thing. It's at 40%. It's obviously still hot, so I'm just cycling all the E around. But it's getting there. dump a little bit more E in this thing, I think. All right, added more E. Just cycling it around, so it is screaming hot. It's at 51%. Let's see what we got. We'll let this thing cool down. We'll be back. Fuck yeah.
Can you click on that?
1045, 941 torque. Just ridiculous. This thing is sick. Full stage 5, our big cam since it's a manual. 19.5 pounds of boost, nothing crazy. It's still stock bottom end. Other than that, this thing's rowdy. He's gonna love this thing. This thing sounds sick. It's loud, but it's sick. That's it. Gonna go back to him later.